Well, hey folks, welcome back. An old man in the land of grills, and we've been neglecting one here lately, and that's the Pellet Pro Vertical. Folks, this thing is it's a cooking beast, and there's so much room in there, and a lot of times I'm just cooking for myself, so there's really no reason to fire it up. And the same is true today, but I just want to cook on it. I've got this turkey breast that I want to wrap in bacon and put on there. So let's get this thing out and let's get her fired up. All right, folks, take a closer look at the inside. This thing has a total of 4 racks. Taken 3 out because, like I said, we're only doing one thing on there today, and it's got reverse flow for smoke too. The smoke builds up on the inside. It's double wall construction, and it comes down and to about the bottom of the second shelf, then comes back out. But you can control it. If it's getting too warm, you can open up this daisy wheel up on top. I tell you, this thing it's got a nice gasket around it. It's got 3 probes in there, so you can get different levels. There's a drip tray down there. Your grease goes down into a tray in there. And it's just a PID, folks, 35-pound hopper. Pellet Pro, folks, that's where it's at. All right, PID's holding right around 160. Good job. I didn't even show you I just realized that. The turkey roast, it's a butterball, Cajun style. I've done these before. And let's just take a quick look. I just put it on. So let's do the latches and take a look. Smoke comes out, but there she is, the little improvised bacon weave on the top of some thick cut bacon, and we'll just give you a couple look-sees as we go. 165 internal is what we're going to do. That bacon, it's on there basically for the grease to help keeps this moist, give it a little bit better taste. So let's get it closed up, give you a couple more look-sees. It's been about 2 hours. It actually has been just a little over 2 hours on low smoke. We're still holding 160. The PID just does a phenomenal job on this thing. Let's take a look, see here. I have not looked at this. Okay, well, there's no doubt that there's smoke in a pellet grill, folks. So let's get this all tightened up here, and I'm probably going to turn the temp up a little bit. And sorry about that. And give you a look, see here once we get a little bit further along. All right, folks, approaching the 4-hour mark here. Let's take a quick look. Smells good. Oh yeah. Let's take a quick tip. You can see it's 52 outside. Unheard of. Yeah, we're getting there. 30 more degrees. Keep on going. Give you a look, see. All right, the little turkey breast roast, took it off. It's been resting now for about 20 minutes. And let's wrapping tight. Holy smokes. Look at that. Oh, no, a lot of nice juices coming out of there. Let's get it out of there and get it sliced up. All right, so there's a Cajun style turkey roast, folks. Let it rest for a while, and now it's ready to come off, and then you can see that bacon's just gonna fall off. But oh man, there it is. Let's get a little piece here. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, that's hot. Can't help myself. Well, there it is. Super juicy, folks. I'll tell you what, that turned out great. That bacon on there helped out. That Cajun style turkey roast. Good sandwiches right there, folks. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.